On today's episode of Big Al's Garage, I got nailed. How y'all doing? As you can see, I'm not in my garage. I'm up here in Winchester, Virginia at a friend's house. We took a nice road trip. And unfortunately, I picked this nail up in my tire. Rather than get angry about it, we're gonna make lemons out of lemonade. I am gonna show you how to fix it. Need some pliers, obviously, to remove the nail. And one of these rope plug repair kits that you can get at Walmart or any auto parts store. Let's get to it. This is so much easier with an actual camera guy. Things first, let me get the rope plug ready. Take one sheet here. It's probably going to destroy this pair of gloves. You're going to take this out of here. This is basically rope that is impregnated with adhesive. Try not to get it all over my kids' coats and incur my wife's wrath. All right, so we've got that at the ready. We're gonna pull the nail. Holy Moses, that was a big fella. First step, you take the rasp, sink it into the hole in your tire. Not going in as easy as I'd like it to go. Yeah. There we go. Rasp goes in, rasp comes out. And we sink our plug in, like so. Shouldn't twist it or anything. Just go right in and then pull straight out. This proving easier said than done. Not want to go in. See if my camera guy will get. All right, I'll let my camera guy give it a whack. Like it's in now. And of course my kids are and my brother-in-law's dog are all making cameos in this video. And 1, 2, 3. And there you have it, the plug is in. The next step is take this over to a gas station, blow it up, and we spray this with some soapy water. If you see soap bubbles, it's still leaking. If not, you're good to go. Used to be every gas station or tire shop would do this for you for a couple bucks, but not so much anymore. So just, if you get a nail, go over to AutoZone or whatever, get one of these kits. You're back on the road in 5 minutes. Until our next video, hope you will like, share, and subscribe, and check out my Facebook page.